Did you know that if you jumped up on the moon, it would take you 6 times longer to land than it does on Earth? And why do you think that is? I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're going to train like an astronaut by jumping like we're on the moon to make our bones strong and our muscles powerful. You'll need a rope, or if you don't have one, you can pretend. Imagination works just as well. Let's jump for 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Keep your knees slightly bent, land softly, and don't forget to breathe. Now, let's pretend we're bouncing across moon craters. Jump around the room like astronauts on the moon. Want a challenge? Jump for longer or from side to side. Need to slow it down? Try step-ups. Or hold onto a wall for balance while you jump without a rope. Earth's gravity pulls us about 6 times stronger than the moon's. So on Earth, you go down pretty fast, but on the moon, you'd float for longer before landing. Jumping helps astronauts build strong bones and powerful muscles, and a healthy heart, so we can bounce and hop safely in any gravity. Great job, space explorers. See you on the moon.